Asia Driving the World conference held in Bangkok, top executives from countries around Asia shared their thoughts on opportunities and challenges for Asia in driving the world's economy. One of the business leaders joining the panel is Mr. Zaw Zaw, the chairman of Max Myanmar, a leading construction company from Myanmar. From Myanmar Focus Daily today, we exclusively speak to Mr. Zaw Zaw about the plan of bringing his company to compete in a more liberalized economy. Established in 1993, Max Myanmar Group of Companies is one of the leading conglomerates in Myanmar. Currently, the group has expanded into 8 different entities, namely petroleum, trading, construction, hotel and tourism, manufacturing, services, and banking. Some of the group's outstanding portfolio include the constructions of Cebu 3 and Saya 3 stadiums for the 2013 Southeast Asian Games to be held in Naypyidaw in December 2013, the constructions of Ayeyarwady Hotel Royal and Kumudra Hotel, the establishment of private bank Ayeyarwady Bank. Moreover, one of the most recent deals of the company is the launch of a 5-star hotel, Novotel Hotel Yangon, that is expected by the end of 2013 to cope with rising demand in hotel rooms in the country. Max Myanmar, through its subsidiary Max Energy, also operates over 20 petrol stations across Yangon, Mandalay, Naypyidaw, Ayeyarwady, and Bago, with a plan to open more stations soon. According to a report by the Associated Press, Max Myanmar revenues grew to $240 million in the year ended March the 31st of 2012, the latest full-year data available, up from $180 million a year earlier. Max Myanmar Group of Companies has seemed to be well established in Myanmar market. However, with the influx of foreign investors, it could be a challenge for this local group.
Yeah, I really love to challenge. When the business you challenge is good for the consumer. So is the government have a liberalization changing to the democracy reform. Also, now is the Myanmar is the government. They trying to make the economic policy, also the investment policy that already come up for the foreigner. And then the business, you see that now we are talking about the Asia. I think so. We have to be good together. And some we have to be partner, and some we have to be is better governance in our company and to challenge even technology. If we don't have, maybe some we can combine together with the foreign investor. So what we want to see is we want to grow the Myanmar economy. That is our intention.
In preparation for more liberalized economy in Myanmar, the group has recently attempted to be listed in Singapore Stock Exchange. However, Singapore Exchange rejected the review of the group's application, citing the U.S. sanctions on the chairman Zaw Zaw due to the close ties with military, concerns of the company's human rights issues, and business record. For Myanmar mogul Zaw Zaw, this is not an issue.
Actually, this is the capital market. I want to go in. Country was closed for very long, and then now people have a lot of rumors, and so that our group had to show that it's our book and how we are transparent, how we have ability to manage the business. Actually, we trying to submit that. They rejected for that. It's not an issue for us.
Myanmar is also looking to establish its own stock exchange, with recent announcement to move up the deadline from 2015 to the end of this year. Local companies are likely to be listed first.
So I think it's good for the Myanmar entrepreneur and Myanmar businessman. That is a good start moving in, because some of our business unit also we going to be the public, and then rather than you do the public without listing or listing, I think the listing will be the better to raise the fund and to invest more, and you can create more jobs. Yeah.
One of the rising business units for Max Myanmar is banking, which is the Ayeyarwady Bank. Myanmar President Thein Sein in July passed a new central bank law that would allow the central bank to be an independent body governing private banks and adopt monetary policies of Myanmar. It is also reported that foreign banks may be allowed to form joint ventures and buy shares in local lenders. For a private local bank, such as the Ayeyarwady, it puts a focus on developing itself first.
We have to, grow ourselves first. What I believe is, I want to grow our banks together with the latest technology, together with the latest, there's a banking, the knowledge, so we do it ourselves. But at the end, still we also have a lot of correspondent banking, but with the future, maybe we might think about the joint venture, not at this moment.
With all the directions previously mentioned, the future of Max Myanmar lies in the hands of this man. In the wake of more open economy, he plans to lift up his empire to a global or at least regional playing field in the foreseeable future.
Well, this goal is actually we are very strong in the construction, also the financial sector, even in hotel. So it's the financial side what I'm looking and hotel side, also in the construction. These three areas I'm looking on the region. Yeah.
In the next episode of Myanmar Focus Daily, Myanmar top tycoon Zaw Zaw shares his thought with us on the future of his country in the global arena. All the way Tang Mi Sang reporting for Myanmar Focus Daily.